Good morning. Alright. Getting everything set up real quick. Oops. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. All right. Make sure you guys can see it all. Give me 1 second. Let me make sure my copy trader is on. Everything's looking good. Alrighty. Good morning, Magnus. Good morning, Just Cam. SBN. Yo, yo, what's up? Itachi. Good morning, guys. How am I doing today? Doing good. It's pretty early here. It's not even 6 a.m. here, so still kind of waking up. Getting my morning caffeine in. Getting ready for the day. Alrighty, so let's take a look at hold on. Oh, these are already set. Okay, perfect. Let's take a look at NQ here, see what we got. It looks like we're in a pretty big range. 300 point range. Kind of seeing which way we're gonna break out of this. Kind of have to go down to a lower time frame to see this range properly. Yeah, I think this is more in an upwards channel than it is a range. So kind of how I'm seeing this is kind of from this expansion you've had here, right? Kind of where we've whipsawed, like here, right? A lot of times when you wipe out liquidity like that, price ends up, finding like a new direction, right? Because buyers and sellers have to agree on a new direction, new price after you take out all the liquidity on both sides. So just kind of what I see from this is like, if we literally just take a trend line. Hold on. I never really used the parallel channel or the fork. Let me see if we can figure out how to use that. Where is it? Is it under this? Parallel channel. Alright, here it is. Do that. Like that. Well, let me get rid of this red one. So if you draw this parallel channel, let's just draw it back a little bit. I guess you don't draw it back that much. So this is kind of what I'm seeing. Right, this is just deviations, deviation, a little bit of deviation here. This also line up pretty well with kind of this key level we're hitting. And this sort of price action here, where you kind of spike up, you get your Batman, pretty bearish. A lot of times that doesn't get recovered, I would say, but since we are more in a bull market, I think the chance that we do recover it is there. But yeah, this is kind of what I'm looking at. This could be topping out here as well. We do have a broken base right here that we've tapped into. So we could be flushing back through value here. I think that's a very plausible outcome here for NQ. Possibly finding the bottom of this channel. If the 5-day wants to move up, finding the 5-day as support, kind of wiping all this out before we take our move up. I could see that. I could see us coming down to test this more macro channel here. This red is kind of this larger macro channel that we've been in for a while. So I can see that as well. We definitely are distributing, right? Like this is distribution on a larger scale. When you get like a 300 point only distribution range like this, so pretty much like if there are larger sellers, every time it comes up here, you know, big orders, big order, big order, big order. You know, this is where the iceberg orders come in. And if they really want to hold this level down, you know, like they're going to hold this level down. So yeah, honestly, this is kind of the idea that I'm looking at, kind of going into the market open. So maybe flush through value. Maybe we can try to hit that trade on going down, and then possibly look for the longs somewhere down here. Like my two opportunities for longs would be like here or here. Like this is where I'm looking. Take a look at ES. Oh, ES is already accepted into value. Yeah, this already looks like a top for ES. Like, look at that. What does it look like on the hourly? Yeah. That looks bearish on the hourly. Yeah, today could be a fairly bearish day. Honestly, if you want to recover, close this gap. See something like that. See something like that. Like these are the two levels I'd be interested in. Like this base here. Yeah, and if you want to go lower than that, that'd be a really big dump, but not impossible, right? Yeah, like look at this type of price action. This is what I'm talking about. You get this spike, like you get pushed down, and this really, really bearish, right? So if we just take that, just take this, we're gonna copy and paste it over to NQ. Right, this is like exactly what you get. Literally just copy and pasted. Right. So I am looking for that down move. Price is also rounding out. So you're getting around the top here as well. You can also even probably say this is a head and shoulders, right, forming. So just a lot of bearishness here. It's like I'd be really bearish, but I'm like 50-50 because of just how the market's been. Like the chance that we just hit VWAP and we just bounce and set a new all-time high, that possibility is there, right? Just kind of how the market's been, like kind of like this. This isn't New York session, but it's like rounded bottom, around the top. You think you want to flush through value and stuff, but boom, it just goes. You know, goes like this, and it just goes. So definitely, you know, this is what trading is. You just manage your risk. You think about what is your edge, what's more likely to happen than, you know. And just think about just what's more likely to happen, and you trade it. Alrighty, again on our deep charts. Alrighty, let's see what we get today. How long? Hourly just closed. Pretty nice top wick on the hourly. Let me change the screen. Daily day trade, good morning, man. No foul, good morning. I didn't get to all your questions. Alpha says not anything they can do. I forgot what the issue was, SPN. What was the issue again? Sure, brother, I'm here. Yeah. What's the best paper trading app? Oh, that's a good question. I mean, you could technically paper trade on any of your favorite platforms, right? Like if you like Top Step X, which I don't think their platform is bad, but I just don't really like Top Step. But you could paper trade on Top Step. For top C, yeah, I think the top might already be in. It's either that or we just blast through it again. And honestly, both scenarios are possible, but I do want to see a pullback before we do that. At least to VWAP, like a bare minimum to VWAP pullback. Like 30,470 ish is kind of what I'd be looking at. $137K. Oh, we're just training out here, man. It's easy when you're paper trading an account that doesn't matter too much, you know? It's just a single funded account. So it's definitely easier to leverage up on some trades and make more money. Yeah, we hit pretty good yesterday. We only traded like 2 minis yesterday, and we made like 4 grand on this account. We made like 14K across all of our I think 16 funded accounts that we're trading right now. We just requested 15K from Apex as my first Apex payout, so that was cool. Yeah, I've heard the payout timeline on Apex is pretty long, around like 2 weeks. So just be sitting here waiting. I got like 10K in Lucid payouts lined up this week. That is also cool. wonder if ES holds VWAP here. I want to see if there's any divergence. If NQ just can't push up. Ooh, it looks like it's gonna flush VWAP. Maybe we get that pullback even before market opens. Kind of like yesterday. We got a pretty big like dump before market opened. Or was it a pump? I don't quite remember. It was a dump or a pump before market open. That was a dump. Yeah, we dumped prior to market opening. I wonder if we get that again. You came a long way from December. I've been here since you've progressed. Yeah, honestly, my futures trading has definitely changed a little bit since I started it. We only started futures trading back in October. Like before that, I was mainly trading CFDs, prop firms, and like personal account. So it's definitely futures has a learning curve to it, but it's definitely easier in my opinion. Futures is definitely an easier learn than some other trading. So, but yeah, I agree. We definitely progressed, which is good. Yep, there's that dump. Yeah, I was considering taking this trade, but man, I didn't think it would do this right now. Unfortunate. What futures prop do you refer to an intermediate trader? Probably for intermediate, I would probably recommend anything that has no consistency rule. Yeah, just any no consistency rule. I think once you become a little bit more advanced, you can start to trade some consistency accounts. But it's really easy to take payouts out of flex accounts. So it's definitely the account I do recommend. You're taking a dumping before pump, which is happening now. Yeah, we get Friday low. Where is Friday low? Oh yeah, NQ didn't take Friday low. But ES did, so. Good morning. I am using Bookmap. Good morning, Jay. Bars up 460. Oh shit, my Bookmap's not caught up. Yeah, it's pretty dense down here. This is probably where all the orders are. People are waiting to get picked up before New York open. 440. How far is 440? It's like a bit below VWAP. That makes sense. I have a key level at 440 to like 450. It's in key zone. Yeah. Sellers are pretty heavily absorbed at 490 though. 480, 488, 490. London high. What is London high? Yeah, I don't know if we get London high. Unless I think if we get London high, we're just going up. That's kind of what I'm thinking. $90 EMA on the daily, yeah. I mean, we've been fairly bullish. Kind of makes sense, right? The ES flush through value. Got 10 minutes to market open. Not a bad recovery. This is V-shape distribution, so kind of whatever base this is lying on, like this high. Like we gotta reclaim this. So around here would be kind of where you make it or break it. And you know, that's kind of where we're going leading up into New York Open, so it might be a little volatile of an open. We'll see. Yeah, if we take London high, I think we're just gonna continue to go up. Like I don't think we're reversing, in my opinion. We'd have to see what order flow looks like, but that is what I would think would happen if we went all the way up. And if we did that, it would be really difficult to get in long. Oh, wow. No, that's so crazy. You just like can't lose if you're buying this market. Bouncing right off our key level. I'm gonna start to mark them out one at a time here. Key level. Yeah, we're taking key level. Do we take deviation here? Dude, we're so bullish if we take this. That's insane. How many points of a push was that? Already 60 points, 60, 70 points up. Hey, good morning. Never mind. Back to bed. Ooh, what time is it? I'm like kind of interested in this long. If we dump on open. Getting picked up on that. I'd be pretty interested in that. Give this a little space. But this could also just rip on open, so we'll see what we get. We got 30 minutes left on this hourly candle. I don't know. I'm not long biased today, if I'm honest. Or not off the open at least. I'm gonna keep this open for now. We'll see how opening price action is. Seconds. Did we get tagged in? We did. All right, we'll see if it holds. Yeah, maybe we want to test VWAP here. I want to see if this holds. We had a lot of buyers here. It doesn't look good. I'm gonna cancel this out. Close to VWAP. Dang, they're really diverging right now. ES and NQ. That was a really bearish close on NQ. And it's a semi-bullish close on ES. Let's sell into this. I got lower targets around 360. We're in a single mini. We're not in too heavy here. I do really like that close. I'm gonna get in a second contract. I wonder if my stop is too tight. I'm hoping my stop's not too tight here. Yeah, looks good. Oh, never mind, stopped out. Unfortunate. Yeah, I had my stop pretty tight there. Which I think is fine. I wasn't like super heavy on this move down, but I think there was a chance, so I didn't want to get some position in, but I didn't want to risk too much. I'm watching ES right now. If ES looks like it wants to break down below New York VWAP, I might re-enter this trade. I want to close below New York VWAP on ES though. This might be it. I'm in this short on my other accounts with a wider stop. Like I'm still pretty. I still really like this short. Nice. There's your close. Get a little push up. I'm gonna try shorting this. Let's try a wider stop. I'm just going for a base hit on my funded, so I'm pretty close here. We're only in like 2 micros. Kind of like that. Is this worth getting more into? Another bearish close. All right. This was full TP on my fundeds, just for the base hit, nothing else. My final TP is around 360. But I would be careful around here. ES just hit VWAP, but NQ just is pretty bearish. Man, I really want to get a second contract into this. Yeah, I'm a little upset my previous position got whipped out. Oh well. Nice. That's not a bad close. Yeah, we got a lot of sellers down here. Yeah, it's not really worth adding into this right now. But this definitely has room to go. We're almost at our weekly open, monthly open. 340, 350, 360, yeah. Yeah, around 360 is still my target. ES is finding a pretty decent bounce off of VWAP. I don't know if I trust this. There's just not enough buyers. Dang, do we lift this? Ooh. Saw a lot of stop orders get taken. Dang, buyers really want to lift this. Big order came in. Dang, sellers are getting squeezed right now. This might pop my stop. 482. Does it take me out? It does. Unlucky, boys. Alright, that was a smaller risk. Around like 200. Alrighty. I mean, this is kind of what we expected. We expected a choppy market today. Getting chopped up a bit. Yeah, this is definitely one of the days you gotta be careful. Luckily my fundeds are green. Cause I literally just took a small base hit. Dang, this account's in the red though. Oh my goodness. Dang. This doesn't feel bottomed out for the day. We did talk about 470 being a possible support level, but that's crazy. Order flow was really bearish. Stopped out, break even, took profit halfway, then came back. Oh, nice. That's not bad. Oh yeah, look at this chop. Alright, well at least we know, guys. It's gonna be a choppy day. Yeah, I'm pretty interested to see how this hourly closes. I think that's going to tell us a lot. ES's hourly looks really bullish. NQ is putting in a pretty decent bottom wick too. So if NQ closes with a pretty big top head, then you know, we could be looking long today. Yeah, I was expecting more of a pullback, kind of down to the 360s, which is why I was holding that short. Guess not. You win some, you lose some. Well, we're on a pretty big green streak, so I do want to keep it going, but I don't want to try to force it, you know? I'll probably look for one more trade on this account, and if we can't get it, then we might swap to our other one. We haven't traded our other hyperticks this week yet, so. Is it in the video? Let me go to my trading view. Where are you? Okay. Oh yeah. It's crazy. Amazon gap down. Holy, Google gap down. Holy moly. Micron's looking good. Dude, Nvidia just absolutely carrying in key right now. It's literally just Nvidia. Everything else is like gapping down. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, Nvidia. Already up 2% on the day. Amazon, Google gapping down. Micron's going up 3%. Apple up 2% from the bottom. Yeah. Where's your pullback entry level? Oh wait, did I already answer that? Or when was that? Bro, I want to long this so bad. That looks so good. We gotta chill. I'm gonna long it after we take New York or London high. If we can reclaim it, I'm long. I'm long to take all-time high at that point. I think it can get a little sketchy up here, so until it's kind of confirmed that we're taking it, I think we can get a little volatile. I think there's a chance we come all the way back down, right? Let me show you guys this. This is the beauty of base hits, guys. Hello? Can you guys see this? This is the beauty of taking base hits. Literally just like 2 micros for there's like 2-3 micros, not a huge move. It's already 4,500 on the day. We're down 1,300 on our hyper ticks, so what is that, like 3,200? 3,200 a day, 3,100. Like we could stop now, and you know we're still up pretty good. So that's kind of the goal you want to get to when you're taking base hits on a ton of accounts. And if you're doing this, like you're never hitting consistency, right? Like I'd be very surprised if you had consistency. Like you would have to catch like 400 points. If we look at 1 hour and 30 minute, 1 hour price action, a liquidity swept. Yeah. I would agree with you. But I would say it's internal, so it's not really, it's not like very confluent. Like I wouldn't use internal sweeps as like a full-on sweep. Yeah, the upside is just not here. The upside is here. So kind of how I'm viewing this is, hold on, let me get my training view back so I can show you guys. It's easier. So just say we longed it here. There's potential reversal here, right? And if we reclaim this, we go up. So longing here to here is just not worth it. But longing here to here is worth it. And shorting here to here is worth it, right? So let me get a highlighter. So it's like, do you want to go for this? Do you want to go for this trade? Or do you want to go for this trade or this trade? Right? Those are your options here. So personally, I'm just kind of just waiting. If we're gonna break out, then we'll trade the breakout. Otherwise, we're just kind of chilling. We just hit our base, hit our key level. Still not able to claim these key levels. Like, our key levels are very, very confluent right now, right? Just unable to close, push. Unable to close, we might get that push back down. Like, the market's already proven that it's going to be a choppy day. So like, expecting this straight up push through and is I think it's against your edge for the day. I think the edge is there if it proves that it's pushing through, and the way that proves that it's pushing through is if it starts to take these key levels. So once it proves it, you want to join in on it. But right now it hasn't proved anything. Like, we're still in, like, pretty much in our overnight range, right? We're still in, like, yesterday's New York range. There's like how many points is this? 150? That's not even that big of a push, right? Like 100 points down pretty much. Remember, just whenever you're analyzing the charts, just think about what market regime we're in. Are we trending? Are we chopping? Are we in a channel? Like, what is price doing? That'll help you guys a lot in kind of understanding which edge to apply. And that's like one of the main things that gets me too, right? Like, that's what got me today. It's like, I know we're chopping today, and more than likely we're gonna chop today, but for some reason I still trade breakout. Like, I traded this breakout, right? And I got chopped up because it went straight up. And the same idea here. Like, I could have taken the breakout out of here, or try to trade this breakout here, and I just get chopped up. So just kind of knowing which market regime you're in, waiting for that confirmation if you are trading breakout, will help you guys a lot. It's difficult. It's really, really difficult to really know exactly which market regime you're trading in, because at the same time, the market regime could always change. Like, we could be in a chop right now, but we could have left the chop and started entering more of a trending market, right? But kind of waiting until you know that we're in a trending market and just eating a little bit is better than getting chopped up and being 1,300 down. So it's a very difficult thing to do. I think a lot of it has to do with emotions, right? It's like you wanted to break out. Like, I wanted this to break out. Like, obviously it looked like it was breaking out too, but it's just not the market we're trading. So I want to extend this out a little bit. I think this is going to be pretty confluent for us. So I'm going to watch this, whether or not we bounce, come back down, or if we reclaim this. Like, I want this channel. In my opinion, I don't think we reclaim this. I would say in a normal market, we don't reclaim this and we get a deeper pullback. But we're definitely not in a normal market right now. So the chance that they just absolutely blast through this is here. I'm gonna try to keep it unless this starts to break out, I'm gonna keep it a short day today, likely. But with that said, I think upside break.
Absorption NQM6 CME sellers at 30,590. Trade NQM6 CME at rhythmic buy price 30,590. Size 8.
Someone just sold or got stopped out. That was 860 contracts. Wow. He might have sold 860, yeah. $860 is kind of crazy. Figure add-ons. Hold on. Does this have a alert?
Example. Absorption NQM6 CME sellers at 50.
There it is. Holy moly, that's what I'm talking about. You can get volatile up here. Yeah, someone's in big. Someone sold 900 contracts, guys, so oh, it's not that bad on NQ. Look at, if you look at micros. Holy, the micros chart. Look at the micro chart. You guys see that? That's insane. So, well, let me show you guys this again. You guys see? So yeah, just keep an eye on this. Like, this is what I'm talking about. Like, this is why you don't want to long here. Imagine if you got caught on that wick down. Yeah, micros went. The wick on micros was kind of crazy. Yeah, today could be an inside day. Build up a little bit more for tomorrow. We'll see. Like I said, I think if we start to reclaim this, that we could be bullish. But like I said, like this sort of price action is usually top for a pullback, like a deeper pullback. And the fact that someone just sold 900 contracts here should be a little warning, right? And at the same time, if this guy gets squeezed out 900 contracts, imagine what's going to happen to price. There's no way this guy's holding 900 all the way up to all-time high, you know what I mean? Someone just bet their life savings on NQ going down 100 points, I swear. Measure was 900 contract misclick. Yeah, that'd be insane. This guy might be getting squeezed out. I'm gonna squeeze this guy out on sim. I like the hourly close. Hourly retested key level. Alright, let's try this. There was 500 on this. We'll go for all-time high. We'll try to see if we can hit 700. This is probably my last trade on this account. We'd be getting close to daily loss limit, so. 592 is your tag in? 592. Oh, bro, that's my stop. Don't do me like that. Yo, dirty. Dirty? What's up, man? Hey, Numsy. Yeah, absolutely. Let's go, dude. Congrats, man. Hope you pass and get a payout out of that account. No. Don't do this to me, Just Kim. Gotta get out of your puts, yeah. Yeah, dude. Only calls right now. Only calls, okay? We're in a... It's not even just a bull market. We're in a raging bull market, so... You just... Put on a call. Walk away. Come back next month. Make $1 million.
Absorption and QM6 CME sellers at 30,629. Trade and QM6 CME at rhythmic by price 30,629. Size 494.0.
Alright. Well, someone just bought 500 contracts. It could be that seller getting squeezed out. He closed half his position. He said, never mind, you're in. Yeah, bro, don't do my stop dirty like that. How do I set up the alerts? They're add-ons on Bookmap. Not gonna lie, I want to be in like 5 more micros. I don't know if it's worth getting the second mini in. Yeah, ES is ripping right now. What was the reason for that long earlier? Which long did we take again? Alright, this is kind of make or break it here. Kind of right on our entry. Ooh, big buyer just came in. Really big buyer just came in. Oh, sellers are matching. Another big buyer came in. Sellers are matching. Oh, big seller came in. Okay, I think we're out of this. Oh, that's unfortunate. Alrighty, stopped out, guys. I'll probably just take the red day on this account. Minus 1500. Unfortunate. I'm not sure which long you're talking about. If you're talking about just this whole long, I would agree. I thought we were gonna go lower too, but just more buyers came in. 447. A lot of buyers came in. Pushed the market up. Yeah, honestly, I'm still long biased for the day, but I don't know how choppy this is gonna be. Like, let's say pull back, and then go up. This might just pull all the way back. Who knows? But definitely longs. Longs seem very confluent right now. I'd be short under like 580. If we go under 580, I'd be willing to short this. But like up this high, I'm not willing to short it. This is, it looks like it wants higher. It looks like it wants like Monday high. Yeah, I think that's a fair analysis project. It's just the part of trading. Not, it doesn't always happen, right? So you just gotta play your edge. Played my edge today on this account, and technically won our first trade, our short here. Actually, no, wait, we longed it here on our first trade, which we lost. But we won our short going down. But I try to hold it on this, so I didn't even get like a lot of my TP. I got stopped out more closer to break even on this account. My other account, I got stopped out for like 100 on this long, and then I hit like a $400 trade going down. So luckily my fundeds hit base hit. They're up like 300. This account down quite a bit. I think we're like 1 in 4 today. One trade, 1 win, 4 losses. Like I said, it's just a nature trading. This is what it is. We had a pretty decent green streak on this account too. I think we only need like two more green days to take a payout on this account too. It's getting choppy. Yeah, I'm looking shorts below 580 down to VWAP, which is at 500, and at 500 I'd be more interested in longs, but below, if we drop below VWAP, then I think the short is there all the way down to like 340, which is like kind of the original target we had on our short. So if this wants to drop all the way down to 380, I think the possibility is there. $680 coming out, we shorting? Wait, $680? What? Oh, I see what you're saying. Like I said, I'm short below 580. If this starts closing below 580, which is this deviation pretty much, all right, that's value. I'd be willing to short this. But if we hold this, then I probably wouldn't long it. It's like too high to long, too high to short. This is a sweet spot here though. This short is a sweet spot. I'm just not taking any more trades on this account. I'm already down 1500. If I had another eval I was working on, I trade it, but net 580. Yeah, this is like the short spot for a short, or sweet spot for a short, but you want to see that break. Oh, we just got a break. I think the short here is not bad. It can get a little volatile in this area, so I would keep a stop. That's decent. Yeah, I look down a VWAP. Be careful on key level. And then, yeah, possibly down to next key level. If we flush key level, then like 360? What did I say? Yeah, I would say like honestly like 360 is like in that area, like around down near like 360 could be like final target if you wanted to drop all the way down there. Could be a huge trade, like 200 points. So yeah, if you guys are in this trade, this is looking great. Yeah, this is deep charts. My first TP would be on VWAP, but as soon as we hit key level, I'd be break even. So I want to take down the VWAP. That's already near 100 points from 580, right? VWAP's at like 500. That's like 80 points. And then you can possibly take this down. If it flushes VWAP, you can possibly take this down next key level, which is 447, which is where I consider taking off another position, right? We've already held this pretty well. So there's gonna be a lot of buyers here. But if we flip this level, I think like 360 is on the table. Took a long at 456, but closed early. Where's 456? Oh, I see. No, there's nothing. Hey man, if you entered a long and went up, you took profits, then that's a win. Yeah, I'll take that any day. Yeah, this still looks bearish, but I'd be break even here. Feels bad. This would have made up for my entire loss pretty much. No. Yeah. You gotta be a little careful here. This is also New York VWAP. ES is on New York VWAP. So this, if we're gonna reverse, this is kind of it. This is why I'd be break even here. But if this wants to flush through, then you know, VWAP is kind of where I would take partials. And then if we flip VWAP, I take more partials at 447 or close out my position entirely at 447. But if this is really bearish, 360 is like on the table if you wanted to kind of risk it. Yeah, it still looks great. I think this could come up a little bit higher before it goes down, right? We haven't really tested these upper bases yet. But if we don't even test them and go down, this is, you know, it's even more bearish than we expected. How many likes are we at? 42. Oh, we're almost there. I'm probably gonna get off, but if we can get up to 50 likes, we'll run a giveaway first before I hop off. So make sure to like the stream. We'll run the giveaway. I'll give you guys like a few minutes, otherwise I'm probably just gonna hop off for the day. Yeah, trade copy is nice. That's what I use. And they're constantly upgrading it too. Like trade copy is really good. They have all your risk management tools. They got everything. The Trade Syncer has way too many issues for me. It bugs out way too much, so I don't like using Trade Syncer. Trade copy has like not bugged out on me at all. So if I were to choose between the two, I would highly recommend Trade copy over it. And this is also way cheaper too. It's like $50 a month. So $50 a month, unlimited connections. It has all your risk management tools. So yeah, I highly recommend this. Oh yeah, this would have stopped me up. This is too volatile for me. Ooh, 60 likes. Let's go, guys. You know what that means. Marbles. Let's run some marbles. Yep, just type, you guys beat me to it. Type exclamation mark marbles to enter. Don't type it more than once. If you guys type it more than once, I may not include you in the giveaway, so just type it once. Oh god, I'm so sore. This is mooning. How many points up are we? 70 points back up. Wait. Is this wick real? You guys see this? Wait, hold on. Wait, I need to know if this is real. Hold on. Maybe I'll just full screen this. You guys see this wick? You guys see this? There's no way that's real, right? Well, let me check on Trade City. Okay, it's gotta be a visual glitch. Alright, visual glitch. Bro, that was wild. Alright, I'll give you guys a few more minutes to type marbles. Remember, only type it once. Yes, this is deep charts. Yo, Uhihi, you gonna win again? I'll never forget your name. Guys, Uhihi's the reigning marbles champion right now. Alright, I'm gonna close off the submissions in 1 minute. Remember, only type it once. If you already typed it, I got you. Traffic market today, yeah. I got chopped up today. Luckily, I hit a base. I just hit base it on my fundeds, so that was good. I just stopped trading it, but my other funded account that I just was trading got chopped up. So I guess that's the power base. It's oh dang, you blew your trade advice? No. That's unfortunate. Yeah. You take a payout out of your top steps? Right. Let's go. Net positive, baby. All right, closing submissions. Mulani Popo's last one. Apex is the way, man. Honestly, I think like go just 10 Apex accounts. Buy 2 5-packs, full port it. It's the move. Why do you always want to short it? I don't know. That's definitely a thing when you first start trading. I don't know how long you've been trading, but I think psychologically you always want to short it because you think it's overpriced, but there's really no such thing. So 2,700. Honestly, I think to build buffer, you only really need like 1,000 drawdown. So taking like multiple $1,000 drawdown trades on like a really nice setup, I think it's pretty solid because you only really need like 2 minis, catch a good move to build a nice buffer. No. If you type exclamation mark marbles, you're already in. But I have closed the submissions. Marbles. All right, got you guys in. All right, what's the map? This was a cool map yesterday. Oh, can we get to 100 likes? How many likes are we at? Oh, maybe. Hey, if we get to 100 likes, we'll give away 2 accounts. If you guys want to wait for that. What time is it? I'll give it 5 minutes. We have 120 viewers, so if we get to 100 likes, we'll give away 2 accounts. Meanwhile, I'm gonna go grab a little bit more caffeine. I'll be back. You guys can hang out with my dog. Can you guys see him? Say hi to the stream. I'll be back. So wait. 18 more likes, guys. We'll give away 2 accounts. You want some? He does not want some. Yeah, I'll add you guys in. You guys haven't been added yet. While we wait for 100 likes. Did I get my Apex payout? No, not yet. I just requested it yesterday. People said it takes like 2 weeks. What accounts? One Hypertix 50K and a Lucid 25K. Yeah, they're intraday. I think I've failed every intraday account, so that kind of tells you something. Yeah, I heard it takes like 2 weeks for Apex to pay out, but I'll keep you guys updated if I get it earlier. Intraday is nuts, yeah. I don't know how people trade intraday, unless you're like scalping, right? Like intraday plus consistency, like that's crazy. I mean, Apex approved my payout in like less than 5 minutes, but to actually send it and receive it in my bank, I think it takes like 2 weeks. No, I can still trade them. I trade them today. Got another base hit on them, which they're sitting at 3,600 equity right now. So. Apex's live program. Honestly, their live program isn't bad, but it's bad comparative to their sim program. Because you get dropped from 20 accounts to 1. But if you only had 1 account, then it's like whatever. But getting dropped from 20 accounts to 1 is kind of crazy. Yeah, you get crazy leverage in the Apex program, and the scaling is good, but I just don't like how they drop you from 20 accounts to 1. Like, they should drop you from 20 to 5 at least. I'm pretty sure you can't have more than like 5 accounts at any brokerage, so they should drop you like 20 to 5, you know. Make sure, like, guys, we're sitting at 89. We need 10 more for 2 accounts. We'll give away 2 accounts. I'll make marbles a little bit more exciting too. Dude, holy, ES is mooning right now. ES is beasting, yeah. Just took a peek at it. Three more likes, guys. Yeah, I mean, we have 110 entries and only like 101 viewers right now. So some people left. So if someone who left wins, like we'll run marbles again. Dude, 101 likes. Let's go, guys. Let's go. I'm gonna run it. Make sure I didn't skip this guy. All right. Okay, we got 13 entries. All right, in case we gotta run it multiple times, I'm gonna choose a shorter map. Do one that's like 2 minutes. eyes kind of hurt. I'm gonna do a not so dark one. Never mind, we'll do a dark one. This one looks cool. Alright guys. So, first place is going to get the 50k flex, and then last place will get a 25k flex. Alright, let's take a look at the map real quick. Drop. Oh dude, there's a lot of death traps in this one. Alright, nice. Nice and short. You guys ready? We're gonna send it. Alright, let's go. Bye, Desby. Desby, the first to die. That's some more casualties. Zachariah in the lead. Never mind, Zachariah is dead. Korean kid in the lead. Oh dude, Korean kid was like in the lead last time. I think he died. Holy wait, everyone's just falling off this map. Alright, Korean kid in the lead right now. Oh, does he win? Oh, that feels bad. That feels real bad. Someone said rigged. Alright, Ryan Ash Trader. Ryan Ash Trader wins the 50k. Let's see who wins the 25k. Who wins the 25k Lucid Flex account? I was looking like this guy right here, Q-Bro. Bro's struggling right now. Bro needs a little help. This is how you're in the markets today? Let's go. Alrighty, let's see if we have to run it again. Is Ryan Ash Trader in the chat? Ryan Ash Trader. Oh, you are in the chat. Nice. Congrats, bro. You are the fastest marble today. Q-Bra is the slowest marble today. Alrighty, so Ryan Ash, you get the 50k flex account, and then Q-Bra gets the 25k Lucid account, flex account. Alrighty. Congratulations. Ryan, are you in my Discord? Ryan Ash Trader? Okay, just message me in the main chat, just tag me in the main chat, and then I'll tell you how to claim your account, and then Q-Bra. What's it called? You're in the Discord, so I will get you your account too. You don't know if you fell off the map. Search for players. You fell off the map. Better luck next time. Yo, ES is still ripping right now. Alrighty. What a good game of marbles. Cute, bro. Here's your participation trophy. Alrighty. Q-Brow's in the Discord. He's a VIP member. Alrighty. That might be it for me, guys. Red day on one account, base hits on the others. Kind of a choppy day, so I think better just call it a day for me here. Good luck on trading. Congrats for winning the giveaways, guys. And yeah, Ryan Ash just messaged me on Discord. Just leave me just tag me in the main chat on our Discord, and then I'll get you your account. One more trade? No, I think I'm done for the day, man. Alright, guys. Did Apex approve? Yeah, they approved it like in like less than 5 minutes. But I heard, I was just reading up and it says people get their payouts in like 2 weeks, so we will be we'll be waiting patiently. I got 4 Lucid payouts lined up for today. Yeah, not a bad day. Was hoping that this trade here was gonna be a bigger winner, right? Around like 150 points that we took. But yeah, I mean, we took the 50 points on our funded, and then I was trying to hold this down on my hyper ticks down, and then reversed it on me, and I didn't take the trade back up. Yeah, overall not a bad day. Could have been worse. We'll take it. Alrighty, guys. I will catch you guys tomorrow. Yeah, good luck trading. Peace.